In this video, we will be using right triangles to solve more complicated figures. An isosceles trapezoid has bases of length 24 and 40 and legs of length 17. What is the height of the trapezoid? So first, let's talk about the properties of an isosceles trapezoid. We have one set of parallel sides, and we know that the legs of an isosceles trapezoid here and here are congruent. Next, we drop an altitude here and here, and an altitude goes from the vertex of this trapezoid down perpendicular to this side over here, and then same here. And since these two lines here and here are parallel, if one of them is perpendicular to the altitude, then the other is also right there. That leaves us with a rectangle. And then also these altitudes are parallel to one another because they are perpendicular to the same line. So they're parallel to each other. That leaves us with a rectangle, which means that these altitudes are congruent. Then from there, we have a right triangle here and a right triangle here with a hypotenuse congruent and a leg congruent. So these two triangles are congruent by HL. Therefore, this segment and this segment are also congruent, CPCTC. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. So next, this base is 24. So down here, this will be 24 as well between these two altitudes. Then 40 minus 24 is 16. And then cutting that in half, this segment is 8 and this segment is 8 also. And going back to our Pythagorean triples, we have an 8, 15, 17 triangle on each side. Therefore, the height of the trapezoid is 15. If you forget your Pythagorean triples, 8, 15, 17, you can always do Pythagorean theorem on it, but it's much easier if you remember your Pythagorean triples. Also, you will find that doing problems like this, where you have to make a rectangle and two triangles out of a trapezoid, really helps you with your properties of trapezoids and other quadrilaterals. Make sure you go through these several times. They don't come quickly, but if you put in the work, you will get it. So as always, do the problem several times, conquer it, and then you can move on.